This video is part 3 in a series of videos that will show you how to use Google Meet during remote learning. In this video, you're going to learn how to create meets for adult use, meaning if you're going to have a meeting with other colleagues in your building or in your district. There are a few ways that you can start a meeting with adults. The easiest way is when you get to Google Meet, simply click Join or Start a Meeting. You can give it a nickname if you want, or a name of what the meeting's going to be about. For this example, let's say it's about the budget. Click Continue. And then click either Join Now, join and use a phone for audio, or just immediately go right into present mode. But for this case, I'm going to choose Join Now. And once you join, it's going to give you the option to share or add people right from here. If you click Add People, you can start typing in their email address. You could also click over here, and the information is right here as well. So that's one way, just simply going into Google Meet. Another way to join or to create a Google Meet is through your calendar. Simply make sure that you can find your waffle iron and choose Google Calendar, or type in calendar.google.com, and it'll take you to your your domain's calendar. When you are ready, click Create, fill out all the necessary information. But what's most important is right here. If you would like to add a Google Meet video conferencing, simply click Add. Now you have the Meet code. Then over here, you can either add attachments or you can add a description. And in the description, you can say what the meeting is going to be about, and then add files, as I mentioned earlier, to your attachment. Then click Save. And now you will have a meeting that has a link code. The third and final way is through your Gmail. Again, go to your waffle iron or click on Gmail. Your Gmail will pop up. And on the right-hand side, if your settings are set to that, it might be on your left-hand side, you could either start a meeting right here, and it'll pop up a dialog box. And then once it loads, you'll be able to get the information, choose Join Now. Here is the Meet link code. You could copy and paste that if you needed to, and share that with whoever it is you are going to be meeting with. Or if you already received a Meet code, you can simply choose Join a Meeting, and you could paste the information there. So there's 3 ways to create a Google Meet for adult use. Simply at googlemeet.com or through your Gmail or your Google Calendar.